How are you? I hope you're well. Today we are making creamy managu. Managu is a traditional African vegetable that is rich in iron. It is a very simple recipe because in about 3 to 5 minutes you're done. It is one of the easiest recipes to make. So these are the ingredients. Number 1 is onion, salt, seasoning cubes, butter, but you can use cooking oil if you like, cooking cream, and managu. So first we are going to wash our managu. Then after we are done with washing, we are going to boil them to remove the bitter taste. My managu are boiled and now we are going to cook them. So put some butter in a sufuria, add the chopped onion, let it cook for 1 minute. Add the seasoning cubes, put your boiled managu, start to mix with the butter and the onion. Add the cooking cream and mix very well. And before I forget, I didn't add the salt because my butter is salted and the seasoning cubes also have some salt. You should mix the cream and the managu very well. And my creamy managu are done. As I mentioned earlier, this is one of the simplest and easiest recipe to make. So I served my managu with wet fried beef and some ugali. So yummy and delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.